Hey, how's it going? Bill McDonald here in San Diego, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my clinic. See, I've spent 20 years studying health and fitness, 20 years training athletes, 20 years being an athlete myself, and 13 of those years being a U.S. Army Special Forces Green Beret. So I've had to navigate some of the most challenging physical events in the world. And what I've done is I've taken all that experience and I've packaged it together to give you, the athlete, an edge. Because I remember when I was a young athlete, I wanted the edge too. And there's a difference between this clinic and most of the clinics out there, or most of the camps out there. Because those other camps, they kind of sort of do the same old thing, kind of delivered in a different way with outrageous claims. But what this clinic does is it covers things that aren't covered in your traditional camp, but they're things that can separate you from the competition. They can separate the first and the second placers. It can separate the mediocre from the good and the good from the better. And that's what I've done. See, those other camps and those clinics, you know, they may claim to get you to peak performance, but what I do is I get you to high performance. And the difference is this. If you look at a mountain, what you notice is there's a steep incline on one side, there's a peak, which is a very small area at the top, and there's a steep decline at the other end. That means it takes an awful lot of work to get to the top, not a lot of room up there, not a lot of space to hang out and perform at that level, and then injury can happen and a whole cascade of other things, and you quickly drop off. So what I do is I teach you things to minimize injury, minimize illness, minimize grueling training sessions, but enable you to perform at that level there so that you outperform your competition, your competitors, and you have a better overall quality of life. So that's what I provide. That's what this clinic's about. That's what getting the edge is going to do for you. And I encourage you to go ahead and register down below. There's only 30 slots. 30 slots in all of San Diego. And the reason why that is because I like to give undivided attention to the people that I work with. And so each one of those 3 courses is only going to have 10 people. That means guaranteed you're going to get me undivided, giving you everything I got, and giving you that edge and bringing you up to high performance. So I encourage you to do that now. And then, you know, the great thing is at the end, you'll get all that experience. You'll get what you need to have the edge, and we'll get to celebrate your victories and successes together. And that's what I like to do. Just like I celebrated the victory of training the SoCal Mustangs rugby team, and they just won the SoCal National Championship, or they placed 5th, I'm sorry, for the Nationals, and they won the SoCal Championship. So I look forward to working with you and training with you soon. Have a great day.